Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Professor. If someone asks you a question, are you rich? You suddenly start wondering how much money you have in your bank. Do you really need money to get rich? Today let's see how to get rich. First, the work and duties you do in this life. Maybe going to school or maybe doing a job. So no matter what you do, if you do it right, you begin to get rich within the work you do. Next are the relationships between you and others. Now imagine you have a lot of money, but you have no friends. Even if you have a family, you always argue with them, which means you are not really a rich man. And next to your health. It doesn't matter how much money you have or how many friends you have if you're not healthy. You will not be able to enjoy many things in life unless your body is healthy. Even if you have a lot of money, you are not rich if you are sick. Finally, when you make money, when you spend time with your friends and when healthy, you need to be good with your mind. That means you have to be happy with yourself. If you try to understand what is going on inside your mind, you will unknowingly become a wealthy person. You get less angry. It also increases your ability to focus on your work. The day you realize your mind, you just suddenly get rich. So if I ask you now, what is your answer to whether you are rich? Comment below. So, if you like videos like this, subscribe to the channel and like the video. You would also know a lot like this. Let's talk all about it in the comment section. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Goodbye.